To those that are not eligible for the airdrop and they want to do the POG transaction, so here is how to go about it. So once you come to your app, come to deploy your POG, now to get eligible. So just ensure you've kept some amount of dollar, especially $4 and above. So you need BNB 0.005 BNB. So USDT. Ensure you keep like $4. Get it now. So any of them that you have in your wallet, so just click on any one of them. So let me just click on BNB, then deploy POG. So we ask to generate an invoice. So you come here, so you click on this address. So you need the 0.007 PNB plus the what's it called, plus the gas fee. You get, so you need 0.007 BNB. Get it now. So just keep, our advice to just keep like 5 5 USDT. So let's check the USDT. If adventure wants to use USDT, you want to send to USDT. So let's go. So let's say it's USDT. So let's say USD BEP20. So just click on this. So I want to just show you the general amount you would need for this. So okay, this is just for USDT. So you go to your wallet address, you go to your wallet, then you are going to send this. So after sending this, let me show you how to get the transaction hash. So let's say you send the USDT from your trust wallet. So you come to your trust wallet, come to where you sent the USDT, come to your USDT. Let's say, or you sent to your BNB. So come to your BNB, come to history, get it. Wherever token you send, just go to history. Get it. I'm using trust wallet too. So go to history. So the token you send, click on that token. So let's say it's this one now. So come to more details. So it will now take you to the BSC scan. So now where you see transaction hash, you copy it. Look at the transaction on the transaction you made. Oh, you understand? Ensure it is accurate. If it is $4, ensure it is accurate. Get it now. Then you copy it. Then you come back, paste it here. You get it now. Once you paste it, you click on confirm deposit. Then you can wait for a while. Then you go back to your spot to see if it has been changed to green. Come to this check eligibility. You get it now. So to this where they wrote be a POG badge holder, come and check if it has turned to green. So once you see that it has turned to green, show that your transaction has been successful. So you'll be eligible for the airdrop. You get it now. So just ensure that you meet one of the criteria. That's the most important thing. So if you have any question, do well to the comment section below. But so if you are here to make any get to the minimum threshold, and you know that you don't have any money to pay, get it now. Maybe you don't trust the airdrop, you can just try and buckle up and do some tax, you understand, so that you can be able to get the 200,000 treasured.